The question says that a thermocol ice box is a cheap and efficient method for storing small quantities of cooked food in summer. In particular, a cubical ice box of side 30 cm has a thickness of 5 cm. If 4 kg of ice is put in the box, estimate the amount of ice remaining after 6 hours. The outside temperature is 45 degrees centigrade and coefficient of thermal conductivity of the thermocol is 0.01 joule per second per meter per Kelvin. Now we have been given the heat of fusion of water also, that is 335 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kg. So the question is saying that 4 kg of ice is put inside thermocol, and here thermocol is acting as an insulating media with respect to the surroundings, which is at 45 degree, and since inside the box there is ice, so it is going to be at 0 degree centigrade. So there is a thermal gradient from outside and inside, and this will lead to leakage of heat. Since it has a significant amount of thermal conductivity, the thermocol has a significant amount of thermal conductivity, that is 0.01 joule per second per meter per Kelvin. So some amount of heat will be transferred. Now we have to find out how much ice will remain after 6 kg, after 6 hours. So the heat that will enter from the surrounding inside the box, that will lead to melting of ice, or in another way we can say that the heat will be used to fuse ice into water, and we have been given the heat of fusion of water as 335 into 10 to the power 3 joule per kilogram, that is 1 kg of ice will require 335 into 10 to the power 3 joule to melt. Now if we calculate the amount of heat entered in the 6 hours, then we can find out exact amount of ice that will melt to form water. So since the rate of heat flow is given by Ka delta T upon X, where K is the thermal conductivity and A is the cross-sectional area of heat flow, and delta T is the thermal gradient, and X is the linear distance from the source of heat. Now when we multiply this by the duration, that is delta S or seconds, so we can get the quantity of heat. Now using the given data, we find out that 104976 joule has entered in 6 hours. Now that energy will be used to melt the ice to form water. So given a kg of ice requires 335 into 10 to the power 3 joule, so let us assume that x kg of ice has been formed to water. So finding out the quantity of x, we get that it is 0.31 kg. So 0.31 kg has been converted to water from ice. Now the remaining quantity would be 4 minus 0.3 kg, and that will be equal to 3.7 kg remaining ice. Thank you.